I finished the core functionality of the intersection simulation, thank God. So I can set this to 100 and it'll work. This is way too slow. Set it to 500 and you can see everything moves appropriately. What about 1,000? That works too. Okay. How about 10,000? Okay, you know what? Let's save our processor a bit and lower the frame rate. You can see less, but the data is still going through, and it uses up less processing power. You know what? Let's set it back to 60. Okay, frame rate's too slow. Let's change that. Okay, that looks good, so let's set it to 5,000. Nice. Set it back to 120. It works. It freaking works. Alright, that was a good few weeks of programming. I learned a lot. This is my first time ever doing any sort of pathfinding project. Oh, traffic jam. I tested this for 20 minutes at, what, like 10,000 times speed, and I did not get a traffic jam. Luckily, I was recording, and I can now figure out what the problem was. Interesting. Alright, I'll be uploading this, and then I'll give an update as to what happened after I look over the footage. But anyways, let's rerun it without those debug stuff on there. So let's see, current path. So we can do this. And yeah, it looks good. And then, of course, the UID can also be a debug thing, displaying the UID. So now when I run it, set to 200, that's way too slow. It works. Oh, I forgot, I need to make that cars turn, otherwise they're just, you know, driving sideways, which doesn't make any sense. This is awesome. Let's set it to 30, the frame rate, and then set this to 500. Okay, that's too slow. 5,000. Sweet. Okay, wait, that's too fast. I can't see what's going on. I think 1,000 is the sweet spot, and then let's set this to 45. There we go. That looks awesome. Yeah, so this is the first time I've ever tried any pathfinding stuff. I learned a lot, and I realized that my system of 3 different types of paths, the enter path, the exit path, and the pivot path, that's extremely inefficient. I should just make, for my next simulation, a much more modular pathfinding system that just consists of blocks, right? And so it just finds a path, goes to a certain block, blah blah blah, and the only exception is maybe that block has a stoplight, in which case, oh, okay, well, I have never seen this. I swear to God, I ran this for like 20 minutes and did not get that. Alright, I'm gonna go check that out. I thought I was all done. Apparently not.